Hello, it has been over a year since I last made a YouTube video, and if you are new here, then hello, my name is Faye, I am 4'9". I used to make content here on YouTube in like 2021, 2022. I used to make videos about kind of petite fashion, inclusivity in fashion. I did like little outfit videos, and I stopped uploading in 2022 because I wanted to focus on launching my own brand for extra petite women. Now, if you are surprised and pleased to see this video in your channel because you've missed my videos, then apologies in advance, because I'm going to do a little bit of a kind of recap of what's happened in like the last year and why I have suddenly decided to make like another YouTube video out of the blue. But to recap, I used to make videos in 2021, 2022, and I was focusing this last year on launching my own brand, which we launched in December 2023. I launched one item, which was a mini dress. It's specifically designed for women under 5 foot tall, and it's done really well. It sold more than I expected. And in the last couple of months, at the beginning of 2024, I've been working very hard to get my spring summer pieces ready for a launch, hopefully in June. And with all the launch prep comes a lot of work behind the scenes. I personally really love watching videos on YouTube from small businesses about kind of what they get up to behind the scenes, whether that's receiving deliveries, packing orders, doing content. I really love watching that type of content on YouTube. And there's going to be a lot that I'm going to be getting up to in the next couple of weeks, but it also aligns at a time where I have found myself unemployed. I was working a 9-to-5 for the last year and a half. It wasn't the best job. It wasn't the most fun job. I wasn't particularly enjoying it, but you know, it was like paying the bills. It allowed me the kind of finance and the time and the energy to work on Fable Petite. But at the beginning of this year, I was essentially made redundant. And this week is the first week of me not having a job. I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm mostly just excited to take a little bit of time off. Thankfully, I have the luxury to do that. But quite luckily, it's just aligned with a period where I'd be quite busy with kind of launch prep anyway. So I thought I would take you along for the ride, and I thought I would just do my best at showing you some behind the scenes snippets in what happens with a launch, what goes into it, what I get up to in the weeks kind of running up to a launch. And yeah, at the time of recording, I have absolutely no idea where this video is going to go. I don't even know if this video is going to make the light of day, if I'm honest, but hopefully if this is being uploaded and you're watching it, then I at least have some interesting things to show you. So I have no idea where this video is going to go, but hopefully I'm going to show you a little bit of my life, kind of personal life, what I'm getting up to while I'm on my break, but also some kind of interesting behind the scenes update. So yeah, there's going to be a bit of a mix of everything, but I hope you enjoy and see you again soon. So it's Thursday morning. I just dropped off my samples at the photography studio. I thought that I would be able to like just pop in and they take the photos and then I take the items. That's what they said to me on the call. But I'm having to like drop them in and then collect them later. So sadly, I'm not able to show you the behind the scenes of the ghost mannequin photography. I'm actually really interested to learn how that even works. Like, if you don't know, ghost mannequin photography is basically where it looks like an item is like on a ghost, because you can see like the front, but then also you can see like the label inside. So I was actually looking forward to seeing how that worked, but yeah, I'm gonna have to come and pick up my pieces in a week or so, which is a little bit frustrating. I was hoping to be able to maybe take some photos of my samples, but it is what it is. We've still got a while until I'm going to be ready for launch, so it's all good, but looking forward to getting these photos back. I'm going to head into town now because I'm meeting a friend for lunch. This is all the amazing things that happen when you're unemployed. You can just go for lunch in the middle of the day. So yeah, heading into London, and yeah, I'm gonna sign off now before the wind ruins my hair. Hello again. So clearly I did not do a very good job filming the rest of my day yesterday, but honestly, after dropping the samples off into the studio, I literally just went into town to meet a friend that I hadn't seen in about 10 years. He hadn't been back into the country for about 10 years, so we very much just grabbed a coffee and spent the whole time catching up. So there wasn't really much to show you, but it is now the following morning, so it's Friday, and I've just been spending the morning being very chilled. A job came up the other day that I was really interested to apply for, so I've been doing that application this morning. I haven't been like spending my whole days applying for jobs, and clearly I just did no work yesterday, or job applications, but I'm trying to remind myself that it is okay to like take a break, and even though I'm not working, I don't need to spend like every single hour of the day applying for jobs. I work in a sector where there is lots of jobs, there's lots of opportunities, and even if there wasn't, there is always like temporary positions. So if it got to like midsummer and I still hadn't found anything, then I would literally just go and do a temporary job. So still trying to just relax, and only applying for things that I really want to apply for. So that's what I'm doing this morning, but it's a long bank holiday weekend this week, so I told myself that I'm gonna stop work in the afternoon and I'm just gonna enjoy the long weekend. I'm not gonna do any applications. I might do a little bit of work on the brand, I'm not sure. I do have a lot of work to do in terms of the launch plan, comms, etc. And if I do that, then I will obviously film it and I'll let you know what I'm up to, and I'll give you the behind the scenes. But for now, I think I'm just gonna finish this application. I'm gonna go meet a friend for a coffee in about 2 hours. And yeah, I will try and take you with me again. I'm gonna try and be better at filming this time.